All right, here we go. Nothing fancy to see here, except a little bug. This is my Crossfire, my 12-inch Crossfire C5 V3 in a Sound Ordnance prefab box. I got a regular trunk, nothing fancy. My kicker amp, I'm not finished, so don't worry about the wires. It's a little sloppy, but that's my kicker class D back there. Again, please don't worry about the spaghetti. I'm gonna fix that. I'm in the process, but just wanted to show you this prefab box. I know it's prefab, but it's better than the prefabs I used to deal with 20 years ago when I used to compete. And I used to build my own boxes back then, but I don't now. So that's why I went with prefab. But anyway, just want to show you guys my SQL setup. I'm not that good at recording videos. I usually get the sound wrong or have the camera in the wrong position, so hopefully this will work. But anyway, what's up, y'all? This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo. Oh, hold on. Hope I can see myself. Let me use the mirror. I think y'all can see me. This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, or should I say A. Roberson Music. Probably going to be the last video I do for a while, but anyway, if you've been following my channel, the last couple of videos I've been doing have been of my sound system. And I don't compete anymore. I used to compete DB drag like 20 something years ago, but now I'm just into good sound quality. So I built an SQL system for myself and want to give you guys a quick demo. But oops, let's see. Before I demo really quick, I just want to let you guys know what my system consists of. I have in the doors, in the front doors, I have a Morel 3-piece set. It's the Morel Maximo. Actually, it was a Morel Maximo 2-piece set, and I added the third piece, which is these Morel CCRW 254, the 2.5-inch full range mids. Or what do they call them? Complete range, full range, something like that. Anyway, I'm using an upgraded crossover from the Morel system. And I don't like the next level Morel Virtus sound. I like the Maximo sound, but the Virtus had better crossovers. I'll put a picture up so you guys can see which crossovers I'm using. And they help with the mid bass to me, and the highs and the tweeters sound a lot cleaner. And I'm running the 2.5-inch mids off the same line that I'm running the mid bass in the doors off the crossover, but the 2.5-inch mids come with their own inline capacitors, so the frequency is up there. You know, it's like bass blockers basically, but they give a good full range sound, and all of that is run off a Zapco 2-channel SQ amplifier, and everything's being processed through the head unit. No external crossovers or anything. I mean, I do have an external crossover, but that's just for the subwoofer to give me the bass knob. And then that's my fan right there, my fan switch and my bass knob. But anyway, let me go ahead and give you guys a demo. Hopefully I have this microphone in the right place, or this phone in the right place, so you guys can hear the quality. I mean, because the system is built for like SQL, but I don't compete anymore. I just did it for myself because I wanted a good sounding system. So here's the demo. Hopefully it sounds good. I'm gonna turn the bass off first, just so you can hear the mids.
Where did I come from? Where do I go? I'm so far away from home. What am I going for? How can I know what I'm fighting for? I'm feeling like an alien, baby. Riding around the world. I'm feeling like a stranger, baby. Riding around the world.
So some Anita Baker, very good sound, recorded very good, very clean. I'm gonna play it first without the bass, turn the subwoofer off completely, just so you can hear the mids and highs. My dad used to play old school songs like this back in the day, and you know, as a kid, I didn't appreciate it. You know, I didn't know, but here I am now at 46. I appreciate the good sound of the music, live music, instead of being processed through synthesizers or whatever, or keyboards or whatnot. This live music sounds amazing, and this is an extremely clean recording. So I want you guys to check it out.
When we met, it wasn't quite clear to me what you had in store was there for only me. Surely you know you took me by surprise. When I turned and looked, I saw that message in your eye. There you were, out there on the floor. The way you move, girl, only made me want you more. I did not know you had me hypnotized to the movement of your body dancing in my eyes. I know I had to hold you and make you mine. Don't want to control you, just have a good time in ecstasy.
I think it sounds pretty good for a non-competing SPL system or SQL system. My old teammate, he competes SQL, or actually SQ, and considering that he competes and I don't, we've compared systems. I'm pretty close, you know. But this is just for my personal use, as opposed to him competing. But I think if I wanted to compete, I think I could. And in case you guys are wondering real quick, these pods are made out of metal. I bought them off of eBay actually. pretty good quality. And these holes, or covers rather, are from my rookie mistakes of mounting them there, and I didn't like it. There, didn't like it, and then I put them up there. I would have went further, but the airbag's in there, and I didn't want to take the whole car apart and pillar apart. I've been working on this for a while, and I'm being lazy, especially considering that I'm not competing, so why even go that much further? But anyway, check this song out. No sub is on, just the mid bass. This song is recorded really good. Mid bass is strong. No sub. And because I said this system is an SQL type system, I'll go ahead and give you something really quick with some heavy bass, just so you can see what I'm talking about. This is not the best recording here, but the bass is good.
Let the motion of your body be the key to we be the motherfucking G-Funk family. I'll play the G in this damn game. Snoop Dogg is the name, dog pound the game. If it ain't one thing, it's the motherfucking other. Word to my granny and my daddy and my mother. Whether standing on the corner or bouncing in the 6'2". When I was locked up, I couldn't wait to get loose. 'Cause back in the day, on the side where it's at, a nigga had to have a fat stack, and I was a fool. Don't make me have to grab my strap and go rat-tat-tat-tat. Slap to a motherfucker face he wrong. Can't none of y'all niggas see the dog get dog. 'Cause I'm one new boy coming with the wickedness. So shut the fuck up and listen while I'm kicking it.
That's pretty much it, y'all. Oh, in case you're wondering, in the back doors, just for rear fill, I have Morel Maximo coaxes, 6.5 in the back door, but they're run off the head unit, while the front system, like I said, is run off the Zapco 2-channel SQ amplifier. So that's pretty much it, man. I think yeah, I think I'll go ahead and end this video with a little bit of The Weeknd. It's another good recording. It sounds really clean. I hope I got this in the right position to where you guys can actually hear it good, and me moving the camera around is not, or the phone around is not messing up the sound. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and A. Roberson Sound.